My name is Teacher Marisol. Welcome to Beginning Reading 1. Today, we are going to learn the sounds of letters Q, S, and U. But before that, let's sing this ABC song.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. And X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo.
Wow, what a beautiful voice. Now, let's have a review. Say the sound of each letter. What is the sound of letter K? Great! The sound of letter K is K, K. What about the sound of letter L? What is the sound of letter L? You're right. The sound of letter L is L. L. What is the sound of letter O? Great! The sound of letter O is Ah. Ah. Wonderful! Now match the following pictures with their beginning sounds. Kite, kite. Wonderful! The correct answer is letter K. Lion, lion. Wonderful! The correct answer is letter L. Otter, otter. Magnificent! The correct answer is letter O. Now let's read. It, kit. It's your turn. L, it, lit. It's your turn. Wonderful. P, ot, pot. It's your turn. L, ot, lot. It's your turn. Great! Now let's read the following sentences. I got a rat in the pot. I got a rat in the pot. My pot is not hot. My pot is not hot. Now repeat after teacher. I got a rat in the pot. Wonderful! My pot is not hot. Great! Now I can see the new letter. What letter can you see? You are right. It's letter Q. The sound of letter Q is qua, qua, qua. Now it's your turn. Fantastic! Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quail. Q is for quilt. Q is for quilt. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quilt. Wow, awesome! I can see the second letter. What letter can you see? Yes, you are correct. It's letter S. The sound of letter S is S, S, S. Now it's your turn. Perfect. S is for C. S is for C. S is for seal. S is for seal. S is for snake. S is for snake. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. S is for C. S is for seal. S is for snake. Magnificent. I can see the last letter. What letter can you see? Yes, you are correct. It's letter U. The sound of letter U is ah, ah, ah. Now it's your turn. Very good. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. U is for under. U is for under. U is for up. U is for up. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. U is for umbrella. U is for under. U is for up. Great! Activity time! Let's begin. What is the sound of letter Q? You're right! What is the sound of letter S? Correct! Shh, shh. What is the sound of letter U? Awesome! Great! Now match the following pictures with their beginning sounds. Queen, queen. Great! The correct answer is letter Q. Sun, sun. Yes, the correct answer is letter S. Umbrella, umbrella. Perfect. The correct answer is letter U. Yay! Now let's read. Arthur, Arthur, quarter. Now it's your turn. Great. Ilt, ilt, quilt. Now it's your turn. Very good. On, on, bun. Now it's your turn. Excellent. On, on, sun. Now it's your turn. Magnificent! This is my umbrella. This is my umbrella. This is my quilt. This is my quilt. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. This is my umbrella. Great. This is my quilt. You did a very good job today, and because of that, you have a cake. See you next time.